નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Continue exercise 1.1 question number 7. A water tank has step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. It means one monkey is the topmost step of the water level and monkey to water is the 9 steps down. So here the two question is given. The first question is he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach at the water level? So dear students, here suppose total how many steps? 9 steps. So we will draw 9 steps. 1 step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9. This one is the 9th step. After 9th step, here is the water. Suppose this one is water, right? This one is water. How many steps total? 9 steps. Write down. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th and 9th. Here is the 9th step, then after water. So first of all, monkey is sitting topmost. Suppose here is the monkey is the topmost. So our first question, he jumps 3 steps down. So here this one is the 3 step. So here first step, then after 3 steps, it means first jump is here. This one is the 3 steps down, right? And then jumps back 2 steps. Here 2 back. Here is the 4th step. First of all, monkey is here. Then at the 3 step down. The 1, 2 and 3. 3 step down. This means 4th step. Now 2 step back. So here is the 2 step back. It means here. 4 to 2 step back. It means 2. Clear? Now again 3 step. So here is the 2 step. Again 3 step. It means 2 to 3 step. It means 5. Again 2 step back. 3. 2, 5 to 2 step up. This means step number 3rd. Now step number 3rd to again 3 step down. So 3 to 3 step down. It means here 6. 6 to again 2 step up. 2 step up. It means 4. Here is 1 step, second step. Now 4 step to again 3 step down. 7. 7 to 2 step again up. 5th. 5th to 3 step down. 8. 8. Now 2 step again up. 6th. And 6 to 3 step down. It means 9th step. Right? Here this one is the our step. So total how many steps? Then after the monkey is placed on water. So calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So total how many steps? 11 steps complete, and then after monkey is reached to water level. So understand student, this one is the first question, how to solve in these types of the questions. Now same for the second question. After the drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, his jump 4 step up and then jump back 2 step down in every move. In the how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? Same questions but small change. In the first question 3 step down, 2 step back. And the second question 4 step up and 2 step down. So again right, first of all draw first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th and 9th. This one is our 9th step. First step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th and 9th. This one is second question answer. And 9th step after the water level. So this one is our water level, right? Here students, this one is our water level. Now in the second questions, monkey is drinking water. It means drinking water. It means monkey is here. Suppose here is the monkey. So 4 step up. Suppose here to 4 step up. It means first of all 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is first step. 4 step jump. 9 to 4 step jump. It means fifth one. And then after 2 step down. Now 5 to 2 step down. It means 1, 2. This one is 2 step down. Again 2 step down. It means step number 7 to monkey here. Again 4 step up. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 2 step down. So 2 step here is down. Clear? Now step number 5th. Again 4 step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? 4 step up. Means 5th to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first step is completed. Now the how many total step? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5th step, 5th jump or 5th step. 5th jump. How many jump? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 jump complete करेंगे जब monkey, तब water level से कहाँ पे आ गए? Top. यानी कि first step पर. So clear student? Understand how to solve this type of the questions? Okay. Now our next exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, our first question, write down a pair of integer whose. It means here given a pair. Pair it means many types. One more than one number. It means one type of pair. Sum is -7. It means ऐसे दो नंबर आपको लिखने हैं कि जिसके सम -7 होते हो, but using in integers. So suppose first of all students integer it means including 0, all negative number, all positive number, in including in integer. It means आप नेगेटिव नंबर पॉजिटिव नंबर लेके ऐसे दो नंबर लिखो कि जिसके सम कितने होते हैं -7. सो माय आंसर इज सपोज दिस वन इज -5, सम इट मीन्स प्लस and second number is -2. -5 and -2, these two answer is -7 students, right? So first of all check this one is integers number, yes, -5 is the integer number, -2 is an integer number, yes, -2 is an integer number. Now sum it means additions and these two integers addition is -7, so my answer is -5 and -2. So first of all dear students we are clarify -5 and -2 this one is not my answer, many answer. Suppose you have write -4 and -3, so -4 and -3 also for the -7, so this one is also for right answer. Then after -1 and -6, so -1 and -6 addition -7 answer, so -1 and -6 this one is the right answer. So don't read -5 and -2 is only one answer, many answer, right? आप अपनी तरह से कोई भी आंसर लिख सकते हो बट राइट होना चाहिए. जिस तरह से मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया -1 एंड -6 ये भी राइट आंसर है, -3 एंड -4 ये भी राइट आंसर है. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है -5 एंड -2. ओके. देन आफ्टर सेकंड क्वेश्चन डिफरेंस इज -10. इट मीन्स राइट डाउन एनी टू इंटीजर बट बोथ इंटीजर डिफरेंस इज -10. सो स्टूडेंट्स वी विल राइट माई फर्स्ट नंबर इज -2. difference it means minus and my second number is yani ki second integer is only 8. So first of all student -2 is an integer number, yes, 8 is an integer number, yes, and difference sign, difference means minus sign, so in between minus, so -2 and -8 our answer is -10. So -2 and -2 and 8 is only one answer, no, -3 and 7 right answer, -4 and 6 this one is the correct answer. Okay, -5 and only 5, so this one is the correct answer. So -2 and 8 this one is not only one answer, many answer. Clear? Now next sum is 0. It means you write any two integers and addition is 0. So -5 this one is my first integer, sum it means plus, and the second integer is means 5. -5 and +5 answer is 0. Why? Because this 2 is cut, then answer is 0. -5 and +5 is only one answer, no. -10 10 right answer, -6 and 6 right answer. Minus 7 and 7, right answer. Okay students, clear? Now fourth question, negative integer and a positive integer whose difference minus 3. It means in this question write a one negative integer and one positive integer, and difference, it means subtraction, answer is minus 3. It means we will write one negative integer and one positive integer, but the difference is minus 3. So students, we will write first of all one negative integer. So my negative integer is minus 2. This one is negative integer. Difference, it means here is minus, difference to minus, and my positive integer is 1. So minus 2 and minus 1, so minus 2 and minus 1, so minus, my answer is minus 3. तो इस तरह से आपको फाइंड करना होगा इंटीजर्स. So minus 2 and minus 1, it means answer is minus 3. Same for the question number 5th, negative integer and a positive integer whose minus 5. It means one, you will write one negative integer and one positive integer, addition is minus 5. So dear students, we will write my answer, my negative integer is minus 7. Negative integer is minus 7 and my positive integer is 2. Addition. So minus 7 plus 2, so my answer is minus 5. So my answer is minus 7 plus 2. Okay. Same we will write, if you write minus 6, so this one is your negative integer. My answer is this, but your answer is, suppose many students will write minus 6, this one is your negative, and plus 1. So minus 6 and plus this one is minus 5. So this one is also for the right answer and this one is also for the right answer. So clear student, how to solve in these types of the questions. Okay. Now to the next question.
Thank you for joining us.